Hey people, sometimes when I think of it, the reason I started this channel was that certain things we all know that we take for granted, and so that should be recorded and preserved. Certain information, certain knowledge. It's been 5 years, more than 5 years, 5.5 years since I lost my mom, and I happened to meet this one girl, one lady, girl who told me. She said, I remember your mama because she gave me this advice that every day before sleeping, if you comb your hair 100 times, that kind of strengthens the hair roots, and you'll always have nice hair. So I still remember that tip that your mom gave, and I apply it. I make sure I comb my hair every night, and whenever I'm combing my hair I think of your mom. So I don't know, I'd hardly met this girl. I think she met my mom just once or twice, and for her to have remembered this and said, just it's making me emotional just saying this. So people, for all the torture I put you all through all my videos, saying this is good, that is good, this fashion tip, that tip, it's for this reason, yeah, that all of us have just finite time on this planet. So with any which way, if we can help each other, and information, knowledge is power. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.